As indicated by our ongoing Smooth Love Potion cost forecast, the worth of Smooth Love Potion will expanded by 264.46%, coming to $0.00501 by end of 2025. All specialized markers truly demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and ravenousness list is perusing 7.96, and that implies intense apprehension, which is genuinely critical. Our Smooth Love Potion figure, it's hazardous to sell commonly Smooth Love Potion at the present time. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among Smooth Love Potion cost expectations. See the exceptionally definite Smooth Love Potion cost expectation underneath. You will explicitly realize how much in every practical sense Smooth Love Potion is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, essentially Smooth Love Potion has diminished by 4.66% in an unobtrusive manner. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of an in every practical sense, slight recuperation in the approaching month, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Smooth Love Potion expanded by 115.72% and came to approach around $0.00296. Presently, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and avarice file shows 7.96 intense apprehensions. As per our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to truly sell in every way that really matters Smooth Love Potion, which is genuinely huge. As of now, beautiful Smooth Love Potion in a real sense is exchanging underneath the 200 basic, moving pretty normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown an in every practical sense Smooth Love Potion selling truly signal. The cost of Smooth Love Potion really is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it shows a sell signal, which is very critical. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in every way that really matters hit $0.00204 toward the finish of December, which is very critical. By December 2023-2024, Smooth Love Potion's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.00148. The essentially relative strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an especially significant way. RSI is as of now at Ercivalu, which is very critical. This shows that the SLP market generally is in an impartial situation in an unpretentious way. Smooth Love Potion value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Especially Smooth Love Potion came to $0.00342 when it dipped under $0.00200. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, especially Smooth Love Potion is en route to passing the $0.00302 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00302, it might break its sign of 42 cents and especially reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. Smooth Love Potion will break its past all-time pretty high of 42 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00290 and $0.00302 soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, Smooth Love Potion for the most part is exchanging at $0.00137, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 9.7 M, and it makes number 329 money in the entire crypto world. Smooth Love Potion value expectation 2024, there especially is plausible that Smooth Love Potion can truly get through the $0.00355 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The fundamentally the least in every practical sense, Smooth Love Potion cost will truly be between $0.00294 to $0.00355, and the most probable exceptionally Smooth Love Potion cost will be especially consistent at around $0.00332 toward the finish of 2024. Despite sort of smooth love potion's sort of wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically hostile energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper sort of is adhering to his forecast that smooth love potion will reach $0.00355 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Smooth love potion value forecasts 2025. By 2024, market investigators and specialists foresee that SLP will begin the year at $0.00405 and exchange around $0.00501. As per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with sort of last year in a sort of significant manner. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Smooth love potion value expectation 2026. There certainly is a sort of good possibility that smooth love potion 2026 value forecast will extremely twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise entirely conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.00632 level, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love potion in every practical sense is essentially anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an unsurpassed extremely high of $0.00606 or $0.00632 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of by and large smooth love potion. Smooth love potion value expectation 2027, smooth love potion value forecast, or SLP, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it generally accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, smooth love potion's cost is supposed to outperform $0.00632 in 2027. Smooth love potion value expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that smooth love potion value forecast and specialized examination, certainly smooth love potion, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00695 in 2028, which is very huge. In the meantime, smooth love potion for the most part is supposed to arrive at least cost of $0.00653 this year. In opposition to prevalent thinking, the most extreme cost might reach $0.00744. Smooth love potion value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the smooth love potion value forecast and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of in every